Hey everyone, friends, welcome to the channel. Today I'll show you how to create a MetaTrader 5 account. A real account, yes, not a demo account. For this, you'll need to download MetaTrader. Doesn't matter if it's on phone or PC. Then click here on accounts and create an MQL5 account. So we come up with a login. I'm entering my channel name here and my email address. There, let's say like this. And click register. My app is loading slowly, so I chose a different way. I went to the website, yeah, and here I just click create account. Here you can also register using a login and email address. You can also register through a Gmail account. I'll choose the second option because it's simply faster. Like this. There. Or rather, you can select an account from the list. So we enter a username here, email address, and you've created your account, right? And then you just need to use this login information. There. Now I click on account and use the login. And click the sign in button. And there we go. We've created our real MQL5 or MetaTrader 5 account. That's it. This was hit like, subscribe to the channel. See you all later.